What's going on, guys? So I was gonna work on my review video today. I think I'm gonna put that off for a day. But my little brother brought over this thing. See that? Let's go check this out. Check this thing out. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, the Motoped. So my little brother brought this over to play today. Check it out. Super cool, kind of hard to get used to riding with the pedals. Obviously, they've got pegs you can buy for this thing. So we might try and get some of those. But it's just so cool. Oh man, love it. So I'm gonna see if I can find my little brother and see if we can go play with some dirt bikes today. Thing needs a tune-up. This thing needs a tune-up.
Yeah, it's not running quite right.
No. It's so awkward with these pedals. It's just so weird. Let's see if we can catch up with the big boys. I don't know how well this thing will do, but we'll see. It's just so awkward to ride it with pedals. I need pegs for it, which they make, but then it's not a motoped. It's just a slow motorcycle. But you can throw it around and bunny hop it. That's really cool. And you gotta move the pedals when you turn. Hey, is that on fuel or is that on fuel? Well, I'll try it like this for a second, but it did just die when I pulled up and stopped.
Yeah.
So that may be the reserve. Yeah, if it stops, I'll just have to turn it on and sit for a second.
Okay.
So I don't know where this thing will go anyways, but I'll try it.
Yeah.
I don't care. I ain't scared. Yeah. Washed out. Oh man, this thing does not like me. Oh god. This thing is so crazy on the trails. And you have to be really careful too, because there's no clutch. It's a front brake. So if you're used to riding bikes, it's a little scary. Uh-oh. Oh man. Okay, so I don't think that's the right fuel. So we're gonna go down. Sorry guys, trying to figure this out here. I've ridden this thing one other time. So we'll see. Not too bad though, I don't think, for my second time. I don't know if you can see what I have to do with my foot to shift. But I have to move my foot every time to shift up or down. My front wheel washed out on the way up the hill. Yeah, and then I was coming down the hill and I put it into neutral for a second. It died. You guys gonna leave this thing here? We can work on it. Cool part about this thing, you can literally just throw it in the air. Dude, you can literally just throw this thing up in the air. Yeah. I was coming up the hill in the field and it was like, it was sick. Yeah. We should go do the hill climb. All right, let's do it. You think this will make it up there? Think this thing will make it up that?
Probably.
Think?
That back tire, I don't know. But it's light, so it's probably gonna be fine. No, it's just that it doesn't have much knobby on it, man.
Huh?
It's just that it doesn't really have that much knobs on it.
Oh, yeah. Well, I could probably make it work, but it's whether or not that'll stay open long enough.
Yeah.
If I can get enough gas to it. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna go up. I cannot see that well out of these goggles either. Excuses ahead of time, okay?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Oh yeah. I made it. This thing did all right.
Yeah, man.
So I want to in a minute. I might have you go back down in a second and come back up so I can get some good footage, both of you really.
Another good thing about this bike